So if you know that you have trigger thumb, one of the things that you can do to help yourself to not make it worse, like how do you fix it, is first of all, not constantly do this, right? Because it irritates it more, right? So that's one way of fixing it. The other way we like to fix it is through massage, right? So you can massage it, you can go across that, not as fast as I'm showing you, but there's a way of doing it so that it's like easier and better. But basically, if you're just trying to affect that because you hear the clicking and the popping, right? If you hear the clicking and the popping and it catches and then it has to release, one of the things that you could do is massage it. I personally love to teach my patients how to ice massage it. And so you get a frozen bottle of water. Well, you get a bottle of water, you freeze it and it becomes a frozen bottle of water, and then you can massage it and ice it all at the same time, and it really helps. But